I'm cooking my chicken in the microwave, and the microwave it's a Whirlpool, and it's a crisp and grill and a normal microwave as well. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cooking my chicken in that, and this is what's happened. This is what I've got up to so far. I've got to put it back in for another 9 minutes. I do 20 minutes each side, or 21 minutes each side, and take it out, and that's it. Okay, we'll put it back in and finish the cooking. Got another 9 minutes 40 to go. While I'm cooking this chicken, I'll show you the book that you can use, that you can get for this microwave. It does a lot of stuff, this microwave. It probably does more than the normal air fryer does, and it's a lot bigger. Okay, I'll show you the book. Now, it's got that many recipes in here. It's got heaps of recipes. It's a good machine. I've had it for a few years now and I like it. And that's it. That's what it is. It's a Whirlpool crisp and grill. You can have a look on YouTube. Just put in Whirlpool crisp and grill and it'll show you what can be done with it. Okay, bye. Okay, the chicken is done. We'll take it out. That's what it looks like when it's cooked. What's that on? That's my cooked chicken. And yes, all we've got to do is wash this plate. I also cook cakes in that. Around about 10 minutes is all it takes for a normal cake to cook. We're in a normal oven, you're looking at about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay?